Google Maps worked much faster as the downloaded app that was directly installed on the head unit. And Google Maps is the default navigation app on the S8, but you can download another one like Waze and make that the default. Audio playback can also be done inside the Bluetooth source, which also allows hands-free calling. Or use a USB thumb drive to play back several types of audio and video files, as well as JPEG images, all of which you can also save to the internal hard drive of the head unit.